हर इनिंग का एक एक्साइटमेंट रहता है, तो उसी तरह मेरा भी एक ये एक्साइटमेंट है कल के लिए।
क्या पूरा इलेक्शन तक यहीं पे रहोगे कि
बिल्कुल, ये अब मेरा घर ही है। एक्चुअली मैं जब केकेआर के लिए खेलता था तभी ये मेरा घर बन चुका था। जब कलकत्ता नाइट राइडर्स के लिए खेला मैं 7 साल, तभी मेरा ये घर बन चुका था। बहुत टाइम के बाद वापस आया हूँ, तो ये मेरा दूसरा घर ही है, तो मैं यहीं पे रहूँगा।
West Bengal Irfan to hold roadshow for brother Yusuf in Behrampur on Thursday. They were invincible on the greens as cricketers, and now the Pathan brothers will share the political platform in view of the Lok Sabha polls. Reports Diganta Guha from Kolkata. Behrampur TMC candidate Yusuf Pathan up against Congress strongman Adhir Chaudhary will have his younger brother Irfan doing a roadshow for him at Behrampur on Thursday, May 9th, which is creating ripples. The two brothers will cover areas like Rezi Nagar, Beldanga and others in the constituency which outgoing MP Adhir considers his bastion. Behrampur will hit the polls on May 13th. Interestingly, TMC National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee will also campaign for Yusuf on Wednesday. So overall, TMC is leaving no stone unturned to catch Adhir on the wrong foot. Former Indian cricketer Yusuf's choice as a candidate from TMC against Adhir had taken everybody by surprise. He has no political base and his only connection with West Bengal was his stint with KKR in the IPL. Hailing from Vadodara in Gujarat, even TMC insiders felt he was not the right choice, but the senior Pathan had said he was inspired by West Bengal CM and TMC Supremo Mamta Banerjee's ideology, which is why he took the political plunge, and now with his younger brother lending his helping hand, a shock in the seat may not be ruled out. Said Ayush Dalmia, a BJP supporter, the Gujarat angle is a stunt. It is like Mamta beating veteran left front candidate Somnath Chatterjee in the 1984 Lok Sabha polls from Jadhavpur in West Bengal that gave her the platform to make further political capital. Can Yusuf be a giant killer? There is already a lot of hype around the road show, and the bitter enmity between Mamta and Adhir is well known. It was because of Adhir's vitriolic comments that Mamta walked out on India Alliance in West Bengal, and the two have been trading barbs at each other quite consistently. Behrampur is Adhir's stronghold, but TMC has been trying to make inroads, which is a prestige issue for Didi. A TMC insider says it is a masterstroke on Didi's part to rope in a Gujarati Muslim to West Bengal as a candidate. The seat has a significant number of Muslim voters, and Didi will give it everything to beat Adhir, her arch foe. Now with Irfan joining the fray, despite his busy schedule as a commentator in the ongoing IPL, a lot is at stake.